What's going on, guys? So as you can see, we are back with some LS content. Finally, we're getting back to the LS swapped S197 platform, and I have a bunch of parts ordered. I have a couple parts here. I'm waiting on a couple parts. A couple parts got fucked up in the mail. They just didn't send me things. Stuff happens. So as you can see, I got my cam installed. I'm waiting on a cam retainer plate so I can finalize that and set timing and stuff. Oil pumps on. I painted the oil pan black. I cleaned the entire motor, top to bottom, deck surfaces, bores, everything, because the motor has been sitting for a little while. But as you can see, our nice shiny Iski 615, 613 lift cam is in there. I have a set of LS7 lifters coming. I have a set of head studs coming for it. I have LS9 head gaskets. I just retouched up some paint on the block. But for the most part, we are moving and grooving, and we are getting ready to assemble this thing. I'm going to throw on the oil pan, and I have valve springs for it. I have BTR 660 springs for the 862 heads, and I'm going to get right to it. All right, so I got the pan bag on. Still waiting for a gasket for this, and the gasket for the front cover, and obviously, like I said, I am waiting for my retainer plate. As you can see, it's not in there. I have the cam and everything lined up for the timing marks. They're supposed to be, pointing at each other. But most part, see what we can do. Lifter trays are all clean. I think we're almost putting it back together, prop. Just waiting on parts now. Well, that doesn't look good. So I guess the timing cover is going black as well. But as you can see, here's my one LS9 head gasket that they didn't send me two of them on the eBay listing. These are BTR LS9 head gaskets, 0.400. So they are a little bigger than the hole, as a lot of LS guys do. I don't understand it. It works, I guess. It's what I've been told. It's what I've seen. It's, as you can see, the difference of the bore compared to the actual head gasket. I don't understand it, but this is what we'll be running. My LS9 head gaskets. But I'm going to paint this black because this looks stupid now with the black oil pan. And then, the heads will still be a nice chrome color or, aluminum. All right, guys, so it's the next day. As you can see, I have my one LS9 head gasket on there. I got my ICT billet valley cover in. It's very nice. It fit up very well with the... I used the old gasket and I put a little RTV to make sure it's sealed and everything. I painted my front cover wrinkle black. It came out very nice. I don't know if you can, see the wrinkle or whatever the fuck, how wrinkle black works if you've used it. It's a little VHT wrinkle black. But the motor is coming together. It's coming together well. I've got the heads over here. I've got them all cleaned up. I power washed them, took all the valves out of them. If you ever want to know how to remove them, you basically just compress them, and then the valve seats on top pop out, and then you remove them with the spring, and then you have the valve stem seal on the bottom. But we have our BTR 660 valve springs kit in here with our seals, our retainers, everything. So this will be nice to install our 660 springs. They're ready to go. I'm going to lap the valves because the heads are, they're old LS 53 862 heads. But I cleaned them as good as I could, cleaning the intake valves and everything, and all the valleys and stuff like that with pressure washer, and scraped all the crud and shit out of them. As you guys can see, I'm gonna clean these up again on the bottom with a little Brillo pad. Make sure they nice and smooth, so when I put them on there, they'll seal and stuff like that. But I'm happy with how that turned out. Definitely, this turned out great. Love how this looks, especially with the black and the oil pan. I might have to spray wrinkle black now, since I sprayed wrinkle black up there. So I guess I have to take that off and spray that too. But for the most part, this thing looks pretty good. I'm gonna start putting some valves in there and lapping them, and get right to it. All right, guys, heads are dried off. I cleaned up all the valves. They're all clean now. I started installing these. I've already lapped them a few times. Started putting in my retainers for my valve stem seals. That came in my kit. I think they're over here. Yeah. There's your part number and all that from BTR. So you get ready for valve springs and everything, you know. But I'm going to split this video up into 2 parts. I got the motor over here. It's already all wrapped up for the day. But this is going to be the end for today, and probably until I get some more parts in the mail. The only thing I do not have ordered for the motor yet is push rods. That's the only thing. Everything else is ordered. I'm just waiting for it. So we'll see when it comes. It comes. But this is going to be our little LS update video. I didn't get to show you guys much of what you do to disassemble and all that stuff, because I think you guys will just get bored of it. Because if anybody knows, you can go and there's like 10 million videos of how to take apart an LS and put it back together and this and that. You guys are mainly here for, hey, he's going to stick it in an S197. I want to see how that works out. Well, get an LS, get some 3-valve motor mounts, get the LS swap plates, 453, and it'll sit right on your factory subframe, right where it needs to be in all. JPC makes a TH400 to Power Glide trans mount, and that's what I'm going to be using. If I don't use a piece of scrap metal I can find and weld up something, but I'm most likely just going to buy theirs because it's already done. It's already been, it's set and ready to go. So this is going to be I don't even know what part we're on. We haven't done LS videos in a while, but this is going to be a stopping point for today. There'll be another vid coming when I have more parts, and yeah, I'm excited. But catch you guys later.